Hey everybody, Heidi Bound here. In case you don't know me, I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories and the CEO of Gotham City Bling in New York City. And I want to talk to you about the quality of paparazzi jewelry. Now, I know you're probably thinking, $5? How good could it be? It's $5. Listen, I live in New York City and I get it. I have opportunities for like the best places to shop, the most trendy, current, up-to-date things, and I jumped into paparazzi because first and foremost, I love the jewelry. So I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am an elite consultant with the company. I am also what is called Life of the Party Black Diamond, which means that in 2017 to 2018, I was one of the top 7 buyers/sellers in the company. And I wanted to talk to you about the quality of the jewelry because I think it's super important to know that I ship out tons of jewelry. There are weeks that we send out thousands of pieces to people all over the country. And very rarely do I ever hear from people with issues about their jewelry, with any kind of issues about their bling. If I hear about issues, it might be something really small, like, oh, hey, you know, a little jump ring, or something might be a little bit loose. It's something so minute, and 99% of the time, it could be something that could be easily fixed or easily repaired. So I wanted to show you just how amazing our jewelry is. So let's take a look. One of the first things that people they ask, maybe not one of the first things, but one of the things that people ask about is this whole issue where people were hearing about, I even wrote it down to make sure I say it right, cadmium, right? Cadmium was quite an issue, quite a concern for people, and was it or was it not in paparazzi jewelry? Well, it's been confirmed that paparazzi's jewelry, I want to read it word for word, is primarily iron with other trace metals. There is no cadmium in paparazzi's jewelry. Now, our jewelry is lead and nickel free, but it's not hypoallergenic. And the other thing you need to keep in mind is our jewelry is going to stay great as long as you don't wear it in the shower. You want to make sure that if you put lotion on your hands that you're putting it on, letting it dry completely before you put on a ring. You want to make sure that you're not working out in your paparazzi jewelry. You want to take good care of it, right? So with those little sort of good facts out of the way, I want to show you some of the pieces and I want to talk about them. What I'm focusing on in this video are our blockbuster pieces. I'm also going to show you some of our more elevated pieces, which are called our Z collection. So the blockbuster pieces are pieces that are really popular with paparazzi, and they're pieces that occasionally they may sell out, but that we can normally get them back in again so that we can continue to provide these great pieces to customers. So one of the things that really stand out to me are the quality of the stones and how the paparazzi pieces are just finished to that final little minute detail, right? And I'm going to show you a couple examples of that. I also want to show you how nice our metals are. Now our jewelry does come in silver, a silver metal, gold, gunmetal, brass, copper, rose gold. But what I have here to show you today are primarily, actually all silver pieces. I kind of gravitated to those today. So first things first, I want to show you one of our pieces. Okay. And I want you to see the quality of the stone. So I'm actually going to zoom in so that you can see how pretty the stones are on our gorgeous pieces. Now, down below, I'm going to drop a link for the pieces that I'm sharing with you. I'm going to drop a link so that you can grab these blockbuster pieces if you'd like to get them home for yourself. So that beautiful necklace, what a gem. You can see how pretty that gorgeous stone is. Now here's the deal. Not only for $5 are you getting the necklace, but you are getting the free earrings. So that's the beautiful necklace, okay? That's our beautiful necklace. And then with that beautiful necklace, you're getting these beautiful earrings. Now, like I said, I live in Manhattan. Where are you getting a stunning necklace and a free pair of earrings? $5. That's insane to me. Okay, so the stone is beautiful. Here's another example of the quality of our jewelry. Look at these gorgeous earrings. Now, you could wear these and get away with people thinking that these are crazy expensive earrings that you are wearing out and about in town, right? People will never know the difference with this gorgeous pair of earrings. Sorry, I forgot one to show you. Here we go. Gorgeous pair of earrings, okay? This one is, and all of our things come nicely wrapped as well, so when they're coming in shipping, it's a nice way for them to be protected. Here's another gorgeous ring. Now, let me give you a little extra light on this baby. If you're sitting across the room wearing Mrs. Harry Winston, people are going to be like, who does she think she is? Look at the quality of this baby. Now, our rings do have that comfortable stretchy band in the back. They fit sizes 5 through 10. Okay, let me come in nice and close so you can get a better look at this ring. Look at that ring. Now, if you're sitting somewhere, if I'm hanging out here in New York City and I have this ring on my finger, people are going to be like, who is that? Who is she? Who does she think she is? This is $5. This is Mrs. Harry Winston. The quality of this, the metal, it's nice and lightweight. Your stones are gorgeous. They're not smoky. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at these hoops. These are one of those things that, like, when I see them, I'm like, no way. Like, how is that $5? Okay, check out our gorgeous hoops. Now, on these hoops, we have bling on the outside of the hoops and through the inside. Now, these are just a few examples of what Paparazzi has, what we have to offer. Gorgeous. Look at that quality. That bling is stunning. This one is a gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. This is one of my favorite necklaces. Let me see. It's one of my favorite necklaces. It's one of our Z collection pieces. Okay, I'm trying to get this on here nice and neat for you. This is the Tracy. Now we're talking about a $25 piece. I want you to see the quality. Where would you find beautiful pearls like this out in the marketplace for 25 bucks? How stunning is this? Now, in this necklace, there are also little itty bitty crystals and rhinestones on. This is one of our $25 pieces. It's a more elevated piece. Okay, how gorgeous is this? Okay, these are also available on the Paparazzi website. Look how nicely done this is done here in the back. So you have this sort of mesh finish with all of the metal. Look how that's put together. Okay, this is perfect. Like, this is so beautiful that you could wear this on your wedding day and nobody would think you spent $25 on it. It's crazy. And lastly, another $25 piece is the Heidi. This one's named after me. And I wanted to show you, this one's a little bit different in the look of it. It has a beautiful snaky, slinky finish to it. The metal is stunning. It is a more substantial piece, of course, like the Tracy, because it's $25, but it's still lightweight. It's super comfortable. And I wore this into a pretty swanky store here in New York City. Actually, not pretty, very swanky store. And the gal that worked there was like, your necklace is gorgeous. She was shocked. And when I told her it was $25, she couldn't believe it. She couldn't believe it. Imagine your like swankiest store you can think of. That's where I was wearing this. Okay, and you have your matching earrings. So if there's any doubt in your mind and you're wondering if Paparazzi's jewelry is great quality, looks good, feels good, trendy, will people notice you? Hands down, girl or guy, we've got good stuff. So check out my links and don't hesitate to grab your next gorgeous piece of Paparazzi jewelry. You will not regret it. Thank you. Have a great day.